Hello, Papa J Learns Excel here. In this video, I'm going to teach you about combining text. Okay, so there are two methods of combining text where you can use the concat method, okay, the concat function, or you can use the n. It's not a function, just use the n character, or we call it %. Okay. In the older versions, right? Not older versions. Excel is actually previously we were using we'll just type over here. Previously the function is concatenate. Okay, so let's say that equals concat, right? You can see that there are two functions over here, concat and concatenate. You can use both, no problem, but Excel might be phasing out concatenate, so as you can see the warning sign over here, right? So let's all use concat instead, and it's shorter, easier to use. Okay, so I'm a football fan of Man U, so let's use some Man U players as an example. Okay, so we are going to concat the first name and the last name. Okay, so how do we do that? Right, so we are going to use concat. So okay, so let's concat Ryan Giggs. Okay, I split Ryan Giggs up, okay, into first name and last name first. Okay, so how do we do? Okay, just type equals to concat, right? Equals concat, and then you print the text over here and the text over here, and then that's it. No. Okay, what happens over here? Okay, so you need a space, right? You need a space. So as you can see, the concat function over here does not have a space, so you have to add a space. Okay, so you can do this. Just type code space and code again, comma. There you have it. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's try this again. First name and last name, and then type equals to concat. Okay, a shortcut is, let's say when you type con, and you realize that Excel is showing the first function that is concat over here, you just press and the function name will come out. Okay, scroll to the left, comma, code, space, code, comma, and last name. There you have it. Yeah. Okay, so method 2 is you are using the %. Okay, so how do you do? Okay, so you just type equals the first name, and then you type the %. Okay, you type the quotes, space, quotes, and %, and the last name. There you have it. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, equals the first one. The first one you don't need to put %. Okay, subsequently then you put and quotes, space, quotes, and last name. Yep, there you have it. Okay, so you will need to use this quite often. Okay, what's the difference between these two? Okay, no difference actually. You can just use any of them, but concat, there is a limitation on the number of strings. Okay, so that's it for combining text. You can use concat or you can use %. Okay, Papa J Learns Excel here. See you in the next video. Bye.